How to get Amazon Prime student offer. So if you want to get the Amazon Prime student offer, which is perfect for students looking to save while enjoying Prime benefits. So start by opening your browser and then going to your Amazon.com. And if you're not signed in, then you need to click on sign in, which will be in the top right, and then sign into your account. Enter your email and password and log in. If you don't have an account, then take a moment to sign up first. Once you've logged in, look into the Prime tab near the top right of your homepage. Or if you don't find it, you can go with a new tab and then search for Amazon Prime Student Offer. You need to go with the Amazon Prime Student section, and it will take you to this kind of interface. And you will see various membership options. After that, scroll down and you will find the section that mentions students or users aged 18 to 24. Here on the bottom, you'll have Try Prime for Young Adults. You need to click on that, and that will take you to the student offer page. So this is the offer page. You can enjoy a 6-month trial of Prime for $0 if you are 18 to 24 years of age or a student. So you need to just simply enter the university, the first and last name, the date of birth, and then the graduation year. After that, select a payment method. And after selecting your payment method, you need to go with continue, which will be on the right side. And then you'll be able to get 6 months of free trial of Prime. That's how you can get the Amazon Prime student offer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.